If you're experiencing audio issues on Dialpad 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can lead to audio issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Step 2. Verify audio settings. Open the audio settings in Dialpad and check that the correct microphone and speaker devices are selected. Make sure the volume levels are turned up and not muted. Step 3. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Dialpad. Go to your App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates to fix potential bugs. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve audio issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Dialpad app. This can help clear any corrupted files that may be causing the audio issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any audio issues on Dialpad 2026. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Dialpad support for further assistance.